My name's Patty, and I was a customer of Precision 9, and I have had the most wonderful experience. They're happy and positive and thing to help you make your move easier. So I would recommend them to anybody. They've just done everything for me. They even went out and got my lunch because I'm stuck here with no car. I just moved, and so I had nothing. So they went out and got me a burger. So it's a wonderful company. They really, really have gone way beyond to make things easier for me. Their attitude is good, helpful, just so much easier to work with. Really, I'm very, very blessed. I am very, very blessed. I got to meet them, and you should see my windows. You can see anything unbelievable. Boy, this place looks good. They're so easy to work with. I recommend them super much.